everybody. It's the same day as the bike review, but we're gonna do a bike check now. So again, starting up at the front, moving to the back. So up here we got the Brock Rayford Signature grips. They're a little bit longer than the stock grips that came on this bike. They're super soft. They're very slim, so you can feel the bar right through them. If you just want to have that connection to the bike. They come with these bar ends. I don't know, I guess they're just, standard Odyssey bar ends. What do you call them? You use the Allen key for that screw in there. I don't know what they're called. This little light here matches my tires when my tires are clean. Down here we got these pegs I got from a $100 bike. They're not screwed on. Pretty bad. I've made a little indent in them from when I was first learning double pegs and stuff. I did those a lot. I got a Ecolat universal front hub guard. Super nice. I like it a lot. It's nylon. Works great. These pedals here are Federal pedals. Super good. These got these little nubs. I think they're called micro knurling. With, of course, these that work with any standard skate shoe. Pretty great. My rear wheel is a Seneca cassette rear wheel. It's double walled, fully sealed. I wanted to get the black, but it didn't have it in stock, so I got the oil slick. I got the Seneca cassette wheel hub guard. Pretty good. It's metal. So super solid. It'll last a long time with the same pegs. Somehow they're not as beat up as the front. You'd think most of the weight's on the back, you're doing feels and stuff. But no, they're pretty good, yeah. And that's basically my bike check.